Hey guys, so this morning I got up and I was gonna go walk to get like some food for breakfast, and Kit's grandpa, Ji-chan, stopped me and gave me some money and asked me to buy him a cake because it's his birthday today. And I was like, oh, tanjoubi omedetou. Anyway, I gave him back the money and got him a little cake, and I talked to Kit. I don't know if he's expecting this, but I got him a little cake this morning just to kind of satisfy his, he asked for a cake, so got him a cake. But we're gonna sort of surprise him. We ordered Sushi-Ro for the whole family. Kit's mom did, which was very nice. And now we're at this cake place that Kit used to go with her family a while back. Puzo? Yeah, and we're picking up a cake here. So I wanted to do a video on this place and just kind of show you this shop and show you the cakes here and kind of vlog my day today since it's sort of a special day. So Puzo Cheesecake. I think they have regular cakes too. Here's the front of it. Now we're at Sushi-Ro. We gotta pick up our sushi. I gotta let Kit in the car.
Look at you vlogging.
I'm a vlogger like you. Gotta fix my hair.
I know I'm not one to talk, but you look like a mess.
What do you mean?
You're so you need a haircut.
I know, I need a haircut really bad.
You got that Okinawa sweaty look going on.
My hair grows so quickly. I had a question for you guys. We're at Sushi-Ro right now, but I guess there's like 3 main sushi chains. There's Hamazushi is another big one, and then there's Kura Sushi. And I'm wondering which one you guys like the best if you've tried all 3.
Do you want to tell them what you think? Because that would sway. That could potentially sway their opinions.
So in my opinion, Sushi-Ro is the best sushi, flavor-wise, taste.
Yeah,
This one here.
The freshest.
Yeah, it's like the freshest tasting, best tasting one. Hamazushi, they have a lot of variety, I think. They have
their sides are really good. They're their non-sushi sides are really good.
Yeah, they have very untraditional types. Things, it's not just pure sushi. They have sushi that's hamburger, cheeseburger sushi, and steak sushi, and all these weird things. So that's the reason I like that one too. And then Kura Sushi, I remember also being good, but I really just remember it for the game feature where you put the plates in and you get points and you can win a toy. Oh, they also have the conveyor belt and the separate train.
I think Kura Sushi's flashy.
Yeah.
Hamazushi has good sides, but their sushi is very lacking.
Yeah, because these you can order, but they just have the conveyor belt.
Sushi-Ro, I think, has the best sushi.
Yeah, they have they're the most technologically advanced, and they have gaming and stuff going on. I don't know which one I like the best because all 3 of those things is really good, but let me know in the comments below if you guys even know what I'm talking about. Let's go on.
Yeah.
Here's the sushi. Oh, it says Ji-chan. Happy birthday. Chocolate one. Cookies and cream. Oishi. So that was Puzo, the cheesecake place. It was really good, I have to say. And the sushi, of course, was very good too. That's it, just a quick video for you guys. That's what I did today. Wanted to show you guys that place. Find out what your favorite sushi place is here. I'm gonna get to editing this, so I'll see you in the next video.